So next up, guys, I'm just gonna do a quick walk around video. Obviously picturing it here in the shed, it's always been stored inside, but just wanted to make sure you can kind of get a good view of what we're looking at, just the condition. Obviously in excellent shape. So this is the 2021 Case IH 255 Field Cultivator, guys. It'd be 32 foot wide, working width there. Only ever been on, I think the exact acres is 1,290 acres is how much this has been used on, guys. One owner. Original knives, I think he said, on most of it, but just in excellent shape. So it does have the hydraulic crumbler on it. I'll kind of zoom in on this here, show you the controls. I mean, obviously, see all the lines, guys. Basically like it's brand new. So the basket on the back, we will go ahead zoom in on that. Rubber's good, obviously, but you got that 3-row spike harrow there. But then also on this basket, guys, a lot of these are round. This one is the newer style, supposed to be better. So just want you to get a video of that. But obviously, we sold quite a few of these, and this one is in as nice a shape as you're gonna find. So coming from really good homes, got a lot of excellent equipment. I think he's got 4 or 5 things he's selling. So very nice unit, guys. Good luck with auction time and Old 20 Auctions.